Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel, Sweet Ate Channel. Hello everyone! Hello guys! I hope you're doing well. Our vlogs for today is about cooking vlogs. And our menu vlogs is about Beef Caldereta. Diba ang yummy? So what are we waiting for? Let's do it! So, hello guys again. So, our cooking vlogs is about Beef Caldereta. And this is my own style. I hope mag-i-enjoy ko sa pagturo ko kung paano iluto ang aking style Beef Caldereta. Ito ay yummy talaga na masasabi mong laging nasa kapagkainan at handaan sa bawat piyesta. So, are we going to start now? Of course, kailangan natin i-prepare muna yung ating mga ingredients. Siyempre, need natin yung ating the main dish, yung ating fresh beef. Kailangan natin ng fresh beef. Para sa ating beef caldereta, of course, kailangan natin ng carrots, potatoes, minced garlic, minced onion, at bell pepper. Of course, need din natin ng garbansos, pickles, Kalamansi, liver spread, tomato sauce, soy sauce, cooking oil, salt, fine black pepper. We still need Chun, oyster sauce, our cheese, beef cubes, at yung ating timer. So everything is ready and set. And let's start our cooking. So we need to marinate our fresh beef with soy sauce, fine pepper, salt, calamansi in 30 minutes. A while ago, minarinate ko na po ang aming beef dito in 30 minutes. So need natin ang ating cooking pot to prepare para painitin ito. Tingnan natin ang ating cooking pot by our hand. Kung okay na yung init umaakit na sa taas, we need to put our cooking oil. And then, pag may init na yung ating cooking oil, ilagay na natin yung ating minced garlic at ating itong sauteed properly. Once ang ating minced garlic is lightly brown, sunod natin ilagay yung ating sibuyas or yung ating minced onion. At the same as way on how to saute our minced garlic. Sauteed natin yung ating minced onion at yung ating minced garlic after we make. Next step is to put our pickles. At the same way, yung ating minced garlic, minced onion, at yung ating pickles, sauteed natin to properly. Once everything is sauteed properly, isunod natin yung ating marinate na beef. And then, haluin natin mabuti, sauteed properly with everything ingredients from garlic, onion, and pickles. Once na-sauteed natin properly, cover natin ito, yung ating cooking pot, at set natin yung ating timer within 2 hours in a low heat.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours, simmer done in a low heat, ibuksan po natin uli yung ating cover from our cooking pot. Ang sunod natin, ilagay natin yung ating liver spread at mix it well. After you mix it well, i-cover it natin uli yung ating cooking pot. In a couple minutes sa paghihintay, i-open uli natin yung ating cooking pot at sunod natin ilagay yung ating beef cubes at ating itong haluin properly para matunaw yung beef cubes at muli natin itong takpan. Sige, set natin yung ating timer for another 30 minutes to simmer it again. After 30 minutes, maglagay tayo ng ating Chun, oyster sauce with a teaspoonful. And then, i-mix it well again at ating takpan yung ating cooking pot. And then after a couple minutes again for waiting, i-mix natin yung ating last ingredients from simmering. Let's put now our tomato sauce. O ilagay na po natin yung ating tomato sauce sa ating cooking pot. And then pwede na rin po natin ilagay yung ating mga tinatawag na other ingredients, yung ating garbansos, carrots, potatoes, bell pepper, and grated cheese. Once everything is already inside of our cooking pot, let's do to mix it well, all the ingredients. And then, i-cover it again. So, maluluto na yung ating tinatawag na beef caldereta. In a few minutes, ang ating beef caldereta is already cooked. Ito na po yung ating beef caldereta. Our beef caldereta is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching and I hope natutunan nyo ang aking style ng aking beef caldereta. Ayan, let's enjoy cooking. Let's enjoy our every meal, mga ka-sweet and mga guys and everyone. Thank you so much for having with me. Sinamahan nyo ako sa aking pagluluto ng aking beef caldereta. So guys, that's all for our vlogs for today or our cooking vlogs. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe if you are new on my channel, and please click the bell icon so that you will always be updated and notified for our new vlogs or new upload on our Sweet Abby channel.
thank you so much for having you in my cooking vlogs, and thank you so much for staying with me. I hope everyone will doing well, and see you again on my next vlogs, and take care. Bye bye.